Hi teachers, today I'll be presenting my TSAL presentation. So first of all, a file import node is used to retrieve the data files. Since the data is separated by a spacebar, the delimiter in the properties panel is also set to a spacebar. In the edit variables of the file import, the variables review and review title is set to a row of text. Review ID is set to an ID row to identify the reviews, and finally the review date set to time ID to identify when the reviews were made. The rest of the variables were set to an input row, as these are the data that will be inputted by the user, which are the variables that the user will be mentioning in their reviews. The results showed that there are 9,446 observations in the dataset with 14 variables. Since we are analyzing reviews that are bad, which have a ratings overall of less than or equal to 2, the filter node is used. In the interval variables, the filter upper limit of ratings overall is set to 2 with a user-specified filtering method. The results of the filter node showed that there are 1,139 reviews that have equal or less than 2 of a ratings overall score, while 8,307 reviews had a score of 3 or more, which are excluded. Next will be the text parsing node, where this node is used to identify terms that are within each review. In this node, synonyms and stop lists are added to give more meaningful analysis. For synonyms, 4 different synonyms are added. An example would be FLR, which commonly refers to floor. Since there are many different users which may spell different words differently but have the same meaning, these synonyms are added to reduce redundancy in the analysis, so that commonly used words have the same meaning. This also applies to a stop list, where 2 different words, hotel and reviews, are added. The stop list is also case sensitive, so capitalization of hotel and review are also added. This is to reduce redundancy also, as the words hotel and review in the author's review do not suggest any reviews on which hotel out of the 2 they are reviewing, and also the review word is also redundant. Moving on will be the text filter node, which is used to reduce the number of terms that were passed in the text parsing node above, and this is to show meaningful insights by analyzing only the important or valuable terms in each review only. The term weight is set to inverse document frequency, as there are many similar topics such as the ratings of different aspects of the hotel, for example ratings cleanliness, and the proportion of these topics are used to give each term in each review a greater weight. As mentioned by SAS, the formula of inverse document frequency makes use of the number of documents that contain the term as a numerator to give it more importance. Hence, by using inverse document frequency, we can tell the terms that are important and appear the most throughout the different review aspects of the hotels. In the results of the text filter node, for the terms, the top 10 terms that show in the review are be, room, not, have, hotel, do, get, stay, and go. Only terms that have weight are kept in the analysis, while terms that do not have any weight are dropped. Lastly, we'll be moving on to the text topic note, where the topics are created for each review, and we'll be analyzing what each review will be talking about as a general topic. But before that, the filter viewer or the text filter will be doing the concept linking for room first, where associated words that are linked to room are shown. The bold lines represents the number of words that are associated with the word room. For an example, the word bathroom is associated the most, and followed by floor, view, shower, clean, and many more. This suggests the features of a hotel that the reviewers are describing, and they mainly represent a very good experience staying at the hotel, as they have a nice bathroom, floor, view, and more. So lastly, we'll be onto the text topic note. From here, the top 3 topics will be discussed for the hotels. By clicking on docs, you'll arrange the topics in descending order, where the first topic, the most commonly talked about topic by the reviewers, contains front desk, key, and route, which suggests a route receptionist in a hotel. The secondly most talked about topic contains the terms MGM, Grand Vegas, time, and casino, which suggests that the reviewers have a great time in the MGM Grand Hotel in Vegas, and they also spend their time meaningfully in the casino. The third most commonly talked about topic have the terms food, restaurant, eat, buffet, and dinner, which generally represents a good eating experience at the hotels. And that is all. Thank you.